Welcome to the Interpro Cabin Network. Third, focus on the quality of the storage in the lesser used cabinets. A good example is the cabinet above the fridge. Bringing this cabinet out from the builder's standard of 12 inches to the same depth as the body of your fridge has three main benefits and one bonus. Number one, users can reach it and store seasonal or infrequently used items inside. Number two, bringing the cabinet and the gable out to the same depth as the body of your fridge gives the fridge a more custom built-in appearance. Third, vertical tray dividers can make the fridge cabinet an ideal space to store cookie sheets, serving trays, etc. Users only need to reach the bottom front of the cabinet, but the trays use most of the cabinet's depth. The bonus is, if the cabinet above the fridge is the same depth as the fridge body, users can't put a basket or cereal boxes on top of the fridge, which detract from the kitchen's appearance. I would go so far as to say that a bank of drawers and a deep fridge cabinet are generally considered basics, the expectation for an up-to-date kitchen. As always, thank you for watching the Interpro Cabin Network, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something or liked what you saw.